Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and ignore the Google popping up. Select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. I'm gonna let go of the power button once the red magic shows up, and as you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. In here, select Advanced Options, and you can then boot your device into safe mode from here. Now once the device boots up, when it's in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device will be able to start it up. Now that being said, this is used for troubleshooting. Let's see if I can find any application. Oh, well, there we go, there's a bunch of them. So if you try to open them up, as you can see, it gives you the pop-up downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Anyway, once you're done needing this mode, you can go back to the normal one by holding the power button once more and selecting a restart. This will reboot the device and take you back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.